everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Teacher N. And once again, ayan, I'm so thankful na isa ko sa napili ni, of course, si Ate Emmy, and of course, syempre, with Kuya Val's approval, di ba? So, yan, thankful talaga ako, and of course, si Maymay, for choosing us to be a part of the Teamwork and the Kalingap Reactionist. So, hindi ko namin sasayangin ang inyong trust na ibinigay sa amin kasi di ba napakahirap po talaga mag-trust sa isang tao. So, if you trust us, then we are going to treasure it. And of course, hindi ko namin sasayangin ang pagtitiwala na binigay niyo sa amin. Si Maymay, shout out sa Team Merd, ayun, and sa aming grupo, Kalingap Agent. And of course, kami po yung, syempre, we're going to upload some reaction videos na inspiring. Syempre, ang aming objectives, muna-muna is inspiring. So, mamomotivate kayo, syempre. And of course, encouraging people. And ang higit sa lahat, kung meron kaming makikita na medyo parang may mali. So, ayan, pasensyahan tayo at trabaho lamang, walang personalan. So, once again, this is Teacher N Channel. Shout out sa lahat ng mga team Kalingap supporters, viewers, and sponsors, and of course kay Kuya Val, and sis Ate Edna ang Kalingap Rob, and of course sa aming leader na walang iba kundi si sis Mighty Emmy, ang napakagaling ng kanyang logic, and of course napakagaling ng kanyang abilidad mag-reaction, parang katulad lang din namin. So sabi ko nga, we have common denominator. Lahat po kami ng mga reactionists na bilang sa grupong ito, we have common denominator. That's why we are in. Okay, so that's all, and once again, shout out sa lahat ng naandyan, mga supporters ng Kalingap. Sana ho lahat ating suportahan, hawak kamay tayong lahat tungo sa tagumpay ng bawat isa. That's all, and this is Teacher N Channel signing off. Bye-bye, and God bless everyone.